Thank you so much for sticking around. Well, men, listen up. It is that time of year again for a checkup. Several local churches are partnering to give away free haircuts, hams, and health screenings. So I am now joined by Mr. Daryl Sabbs to give us those event details.
I'm told the question is probably how does a ham and a haircut add to men getting their
well, I guess I was thinking about the 3 H's. I'm like, okay, maybe.
Well, first of all, thank you for allowing me to come to the cool T&C. You know, I so appreciate this opportunity. That we have this real cool initiative. It's called Elevation Project, and the theme of it is No Man Left Behind. And it's a partnership between Phoebe Health System, Morehouse School of Medicine, and the churches in our community. Honchoed by Mount Zion, Pastor Simmons over there. And so what we have done, we have trained men in our community. Some of these men are prostate cancer survivors themselves, but we've trained them in outreach strategies to go out and find those men in the highways and the hedges who don't have doctors, they don't have insurance, and they just have not seen a doctor. We know that prostate cancer is one of the leading causes of death for men, but you don't have to die. You really can catch it early, you really can manage it, and you can be here with your loved ones for the rest of a quality of life. And so we're asking wives and daughters and sisters to get that man out. We're going to be spreading into Terrell County. That's why this announcement is so important. We've been doing Dougherty County for almost a year and a half at all the churches in our areas, but now we're spreading because of a grant that we got from Morehouse School of Medicine, who just got $175 million from Bloomberg. That's for medical education. That's another topic. But we got a grant to be able to spread this into other communities. Gotcha. What will happen, it's a research grant, which means we'll be looking at the pathology of men to see what causes cancer, see what the trends are. That way we can come up with a more precise care, medicine, and surgeries if necessary. So it's a research project. We're so proud. We're going to be in Terrell County.
Where and when?
We're going to be at the Cultural Center, it's old Lily Cooper School, on the 17th. And if my slide will come back up, I can tell you exactly where we're going to be. But I got Pastor from Brownwood, Pastor Lewis, Pastor Andrews from Rains Baptist, Pastor Ward from Shiloh in Dawson, and Pastor Weston from Sanders, and also his Rains Church. So we got about 4 champion guys who are recruiting men to come out. So on the 17th. At 10 o'clock, come to Lily Cooper School. It's a cultural center now, and men will get screens, they will be pampered by nurses, we will give them a haircut, and we will give them a ham. So that's how the haircut and the ham fits in there. And we've been doing great, Alicia. I mean, the turnout has been fabulous.
That's awesome. So how are the screenings performed? Is it?
Well, we have nurses. Nurses come from Phoebe, and they are phlebotomists, and they're experts, so you won't get stuck 2 and 3 times. They're experts at sticking you one time and getting that blood drawn. And so we come with our staff. Morehouse School of Medicine comes with their staff, and and public health helps us. So we have all the clinicians that we need. We just need men to come out. So the charge is to tell that man, especially 35 and older, get him out on that day. Get that man to come out and tell him he can eat that morning, he can have fun, but with us for that 3 hours, and then we're going to let them know their results right away.
Right away, wow.
Right away, and so a letter will come in the mail to let you know what your scores are. If it's something that you're concerned about, we're going to work with you. We're going to make sure you get a doctor. We're going to make sure that you get your care. And even if you don't have insurance, we're going to make sure that you get care. So it's a wonderful day. No man left behind. Come on out. It's fun. The fellowship is fabulous.
Awesome. Well,
Terrell County, Dawson, Brownwood. Y'all come on out. That's the call is for you. Come on out.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for the information.
Thank you so much. I always love coming and talking to you.
I always love talking to you too.
It is so fabulous. I'm so proud of you. You look fabulous in your pink, girl. Yes, you do. Y'all need to see these shoes she got on. Girlfriend. It look like them slippers that Dorothy wore. You know what I'm saying? In the Wizard of Oz, honey.
It's too much. All right. Well, thank you again for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
We'll have all this information posted on our website at waob.com. We're going to take a quick break.